Hello, welcome back at Rebecca's Kitchen. In this video I brought you another zucchini recipe because summer is the season of zucchini. The amount of ingredients you can find in the description below. Don't forget to check it out. Let's get started. Cut zucchini in half, empty the seed area with a spoon, then sprinkle salt and set aside while preparing the stuffing. Fry onion in 1 tablespoon of oil until it's golden. Now add mashed garlic. Fry it until it's fragrant, then add the chopped mushrooms, sprinkle it with salt and steam it for 5 minutes. Next step is to add minced turkey. Fry it until it's not pink anymore. Now add seasoning: salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, oregano, basil and turmeric. Then fry it for 2 minutes to deepen the flavor. Add 1 tablespoon tomato paste, fry it for another 2 minutes, then add 2 deciliters of water. Next step is to add the inside of the zucchini. If you have the zucchini with large seeds, please keep this step. Cover it and cook it for 15 minutes. Add half cup of peas and corn, then cook it for 3 minutes. Add some extra water if it's needed. Now the stuffing is ready. Fill up the zucchinis with the stuffing. This filling is enough for 4 pieces of zucchini. Now add shredded cheese and half cup of water. You don't need to add too much of water because the zucchini will give a lot of water. Cover it with olive oil. Bake it for 20 minutes in 200 degrees. Remove the foil and bake it until the cheese is golden, approximately 10 minutes. That was my stuffed zucchini recipe, guys. I hope you have liked it. I appreciate that you are watching. Please don't forget to like. Bon appetit and see you next week.